They got a whole bunch of
I heard him go down. We're gonna get that chicken.
"30 miles on the Gulf Stream, I hear the south wind moan.
Oh, look at the mass!
Bridges getting lower, the shrimp boat's coming home. The old man down in the corner slowly turns his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on the Ponce train, underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, a devil's daughter, she's hot, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the TriStar series. Today we're going to be turkey hunting in East Tennessee with my good buddy Kyle Cates and his dad Tony. And I'm going to tell you something, folks. This hunt was absolute awesome. The bird came in on a string, it followed the script, and stay tuned and you'll see some good footage.
Don't worry, don't shoot yet. Don't move. Don't move. Let him come in. Yes, sir, Dad. Hey, was that our first long beer together?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome video.
Good calling, man.
Good shot. He's
dead
still
son of a
fired
gun.
up. Might be able to get a double. Is he a good one? Is he a pretty good one?
Well, his beard's not that big. He's probably...
He's a 2-year-old.
But his dang spurs. That one's little. Look at this one. It's a good inch, isn't it? This one right here is short. I'd say he's a young bird. Kyle and I tried this about 2 weeks ago, and we got a little bit too close to that boss bird, and he flew down the other way, and we found some good spots as we walked all over this. We're in the very bottom of this of the mountain here. We're kind of on the side of it, and this morning we had, I don't know, 3 or 4 goblin, the same one that we tried to get a couple of weeks ago. We can still hear him. We're going to go after him, let Kyle get a shot at him, but this thing was gobbling his head off. And he came up about, that bluff down there is what, 30 feet?
Yeah, like straight up.
It's a sheer cliff. And this sucker, Kyle said, he's coming. I said, there's no way he's coming up that cliff. And he sure enough did. And he came right up on the road and he showed off and strutted and tried to get Kyle some good film there. And then he finally said, just shoot it. So we shot it. It was about 40 yards off. Good bird. He's only probably got about an 8-inch beard maybe. He's got about a 1-inch spur on one side. It looks like he's clipped it off and got about a 1/4 inch on the other side. That's the way of these mountain birds. There are a lot of rocks and things like that, but he's a pretty bird. Looks like he's lost a lot of weight fighting and going up and down these ridges and hills here on the side of the mountain. But he's a good bird. Kyle did good this morning. Great call. Great decoy setup. This is the first bird I've killed in about 4 years, so I'm excited.